how to use stock video in CapCut. So if you want to use a stock video in CapCut, then first let's open up a CapCut application. After that, go with the edit section. Now click on the new big project button in the upper of the screen. Now if you've come to this section, you need to just go and select the files and pictures. Then we can choose which menu to enter. So on the top, as you can see, that you will have albums, which are all of your gallery albums. Now under spaces, you'll have second option as spaces. You need to go with spaces, and here you will have all of your space. But after the albums, spaces, library, if you swipe, you'll find stock videos. In my case, I don't have stock videos, but if you want to use stock videos in your CapCut, then you just need simply swipe, and then you will find the stock videos option. If it's available in your region, then you will find the option right there. You can tap on stock videos and you'll be able to use those stock videos. Under stock videos, you can find the currently popular videos. However, you can also explore more videos yourselves, and you will also have some additional options like Halloween, green screen backgrounds, and others. Or instead of stock videos, you may also have an option of library. You can tap on library, and then you will have all of these trending, the Christmas and New Year, the green screen, the background, the intro, the transactions. You will have all of these options. You'll be able to use all of these. That's how you can use stock videos in your CapCut, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.